Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken stock from a leftover carcass. First, gather your chicken carcass and any roasted bones you might have. It's important to remove any excess meat or skin to ensure a cleaner, clearer stock. Then, break the carcass into smaller, more manageable pieces. This simple step helps maximize the flavor extraction during the cooking process, giving you a richer, more robust stock for your culinary creations. Next, it's time to add the aromatics that will infuse your stock with incredible flavor. You'll want to include 1 large onion, roughly chopped, along with 2 carrots and 2 celery stalks. For an extra layer of depth, toss in a bay leaf, a few whole peppercorns, and a handful of fresh parsley stems. Finally, cover all these wonderful ingredients with approximately 12 cups of cold water, ensuring everything is fully submerged. Now, place your pot on the stove and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. It's crucial not to boil the stock vigorously, as this can make it cloudy. During the first hour, you might notice some foam rising to the surface. Simply skim this off with a spoon. Allow the stock to simmer gently for at least 4 hours, or even up to 8 hours, to achieve a truly rich and deeply flavored broth. Once your stock has simmered to perfection, it's time for the final steps. Carefully strain the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve or a colander lined with cheesecloth. Discard all the cooked solids, as their flavor has been fully extracted. Allow the beautiful, clear liquid to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. Your homemade chicken stock can be refrigerated for up to 5 days or frozen for several months.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.